Courtney. I want to tell you a story today. Story time today. Okay, this was back in like second grade, and it's still fresh in my memory, and I just can't get it out of my head. So I'm gonna tell you how this guy, well, he was a little boy then. He was like 8 years old. He puts, no, I'm going to tell you the whole story. Okay, so we were at lunch one day, and me and my best friend had a little argument, and after lunch, well, it was second grade, so after lunch we went to recess. So, like a couple minutes after that, it was time to go to recess. A few minutes into recess, well, around like 15 minutes, I go off the playground. There's an area where you're not on the playground, but you're still outside. It was by the train tracks. And I go out, I wouldn't say by the train tracks, not necessarily close to the train tracks, but still near the train tracks. And these guys, let's call him Gabriel and his little buddies, come up to me and say, "What are you doing?" And I'm like, "Nothing, just standing here." And so I look away to my friend. I'm staring off to my friend, talking to her. And Gabriel went over to the train tracks and he grabbed a dead bird and he walked over to the train tracks, grabbed a dead bird, and came back over to me. And I was wearing overalls or something like that. Overalls and a red shirt. I still remember this clear as day. He opened my overalls, grabbed them open, and he put the dead bird down my shirt. And I was still talking to my friend. I was unaware. And Gabriel, my friend's name, let's call her Alicia. Alicia said, "Courtney, look at your shirt." And I looked at my shirt and I started screaming bloody murder. Screaming. And so all the teachers came over to me and they got the bird out of my shirt. It was dead. They got the bird out of my shirt and they were asking me questions like, who did this? And I was like, Gabriel did this. And my friend Alicia, she told them that Gabriel did it too, because he really did. And I can't remember. And so it was time to go back to class, and Gabriel went to the principal's office and got in trouble. And a few weeks later, it was a field trip. I saw his mom at the field trip, but there was no Gabriel. Turns out Gabriel got kicked off the field trip because he put a dead bird down my shirt. Now I know Gabriel really well. I mean, I knew Gabriel very well because he went to church with me back in second grade. And he wore all black to church, and he would always like sit in the back, and I went with my friends because their dad preaches at this church, or he used to. And yeah, that's about it. Anyways, if you want to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you later.